The Related tab is where you can see which other records are related to this listing. The Leads section is a record of all leads that have been received on this listing. This is an easy way for you to track its performance and relay this information to the owner. The Offers section shows you all offers that have been made on this listing. This is another useful piece of information to share with the owners. The Transactions section shows you which transactions have been made on this listing. In a normal case, there should be only one. But if you've had one or more transactions that have started and been cancelled, they will then show here. The Files section allows you to upload, edit the name of, and delete files. It also serves as a database for all the documents that you want to save to this listing, like the commission agreement, architectural drawings, and other related documents. The History section shows you the manual changes that have been made to fields so that you can track previous field data.